All right, gang, what's going on? Good afternoon. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. And we are back to a full week this week. So, got a nice little watch list for you. I got 4 equities and 1 futures. So, let's go ahead and jump right on into this. So, the first one that I am looking at is going to be oil. That's /CL and and excuse me. Man. All right. So, as you can see, oil, ever since making that low here, has been on a great run back up. So we made that high, we pulled back, we started to bounce, we got our crossovers here, and it's taken off again. So what I want to do here is I want to sell a put spread slightly out of the money, okay? And ride it back up with my goal back up here to the 76s. So that's going to be /CL, and this is the August 17th expiration, which is 38 days out. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to go a little bit further out of the money than normal here, right pretty much at expected move to get a little bit better probability for this vertical spread. So I'm looking at selling the 68 puts, and then I want to go ahead and buy those 66 puts down behind it. As of Friday, it was about 330 bucks. So I want to look to try to get at least 0.30, which would equal about $300 in credit. Okay, buying power at the current time is only about $930, so not bad there. And then the pop is a high 74%, so really good odds on this play. Okay. Next one, right, that I'm looking at here is going to be Applied Materials. That's AMAT. And I want to do an iron condor on this one. Now, as you can see, if I zoom out, it was been on a rip. Really ran the last 2 years. Now this year we finally made that high. We peaked out, and now we're just kind of going sideways for a little bit here. So I want to take advantage of that. Use this channel as my my short strikes pretty much here, and see how long we can get this. So Applied Materials, August expiration, and I want to go ahead and sell the 120 puts, buy those 115s. And then sell the 150 calls and buy those 155s. As you can see, that's right outside the expected move. I'm only going to do this play if I can get a $1.30 in credit. Otherwise, it's too low. Okay, but if we can get that, it's going to be right around 64, 65 pop, which is really, really good for an iron condor. Okay. Next one is going to be JMIA. Oh, wrong chart. Here we go. As you can see here, right, we really made those highs, ran down, broke the 200-day, and now we're just kind of channeling again. So I want to go above multiple resistance lines and then also down past the most recent low, and just strangle this one. So with JMIA, okay, that's going to be August as well. And what I want to do is a way past expected move, and I'm actually going to lean it short too. So I want to go ahead and sell in August the 17 puts, which is about the 8 delta, and then I want to come over here and sell those 40 calls, which is about a 15 delta. I'm gonna lean it short just about 7 deltas. Okay, I'm gonna give a great 84% pop, and I want to get at least $1 for this trade. It'll only cost about $500 to put on. Okay, now the next one, oh, where'd it go? Going to be Kroger. So with Kroger, I actually would like to do a covered call. I like Kroger long. Okay, you can see it's just been running up fairly good here. So we ran up, we pulled back, we held the 50 moving average, and now we're looking to go back up. So I want to do a covered call and then sell the 40 calls here while buying those shares. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. So Kroger, right? We're looking in, I want to go ahead and buy 100 shares, okay, which would be, you know, right around $38.30, 33 cents as of close on Friday, right? And then I want to go ahead and go into August and sell the 40 call. All right, that'll bring us down to a debit of about $37.85. Where the buying power is only going to be about 1,800. You have a max profit of 215. Okay, and I'm going to show you So anything over 40, you're going to make $215. This is a bullish play. We actually want Kroger to run up, reach the 40 strike, and then I would just look to let it get assigned, take away those 100 shares, and make $215 on this trade. Okay. Now, if it doesn't reach 40 by August, then I would just roll this call out to the next monthly cycle, which would be September. Do the same thing, okay, and let it go. And in the meantime, if that tends to happen, actually looking at this, expiration is August 20th. Well, collect a 20-cent dividend as well per share, so not too bad there. You know, there'd be another 20 bucks free money there while you ride it out and see what happens into August. Now, if 1800 is too much for you guys, you can do what's called the poor man's covered call. And in this case, again, I would want to go into August, sell like that 40, okay, and then come over here into like January of 22, and then buy like the 38s, 37 calls, and then that's only going to cost like 230 bucks, and I'd do a couple of contracts there, right? And then you would just hold it. Again, bullish run, so if it ran up, you would hold it to your at a reasonable price, and then either A, let those short strike get assigned, or just go ahead and keep rolling that call out if you wanted to. Okay. And then here, the last one, you guys, that I'm looking at is going to be Nvidia. I mean, this thing has been on a rip lately, and it's just ran up, ran up, ran up. We made those highs, we pulled back, and then we gapped down, and now we're kind of consolidating here. So what I'm looking for this to do is we can see the momentum shifting back up. So I want to go ahead and sell a vertical spread on this one. And take it back up to those highs. And it's got the best IV out of all of them, sitting almost 50%. So with August, looking to sell the 740 puts, buy those 730s. I would like to get 280, 270s fine as well. It's a 10 wide. Going to give a 67 pop. Not bad play. Okay. And then so that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and maybe one day I'll see you in chat. Take care.